Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your UK ESA account on Trading 212, step by step. If you're based in the UK and want to invest tax efficiently, this is definitely something you'll want to set up. So first, log into your Trading 212 app. On the home screen, you'll see the option to open or manage accounts. Tap on that and from the list, select the ISA account option. Next. Trading 212 will guide you through the setup. You'll need to confirm your personal details things, like your name, address, and national insurance number. This is a requirement by HMRC to make sure your ISA account is correctly registered. After that, you'll be asked to agree to the ISA declaration. This is basically confirming that you're eligible for an ESA and that you won't be opening another stocks and shares ESA with a different provider in the same tax year. Remember, UK rules only allow one stocks and shares ESA per tax year. Once that's done, your ESA account will be activated within Trading 212. From here, you can deposit money into your ESA and start investing. The great thing is that all gains and dividends inside this account are completely tax-free, which is why it's such a popular choice for UK investors. And that's it. You've now activated your ISA account on Trading 212. Super simple, but really powerful for building wealth long-term. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy trading and investing guides, and drop a comment below if you've already set up your ISA or if you're planning to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.